Good morning, students. I, Vijaya, your teacher of English, welcome you all to Rishikul Online School. Friends, today I'm going to discuss with you Chapter 8 from the book Footprints Without Feet. And the name of the chapter is The Hack Driver, written by Sinclair Lewis. And this is Module 1. So come on, let's read and know what is happening in the story. Driver is an interesting story written by Sinclair Lewis. The story is about a young lawyer. He is made to serve summons instead of practicing law. So come on, let's continue. After graduating with honors, I became a junior assistant clerk in a magnificent law firm. I was sent not to prepare legal form briefs but to serve summons like a cheap private detective. I had to go to dirty and shadowy corners of the city to seek out my victims. Some of the larger and more self confident ones even beat me up. I hated this unpleasant work and the side of city life it revealed to me. I even considered fleeing to my hometown, where I could have been a real lawyer right away, without going through this unpleasant training period. So now, here the narrator, after being graduated with honors, he started working as a junior assistant clerk in a law firm. He was not sent for preparing legal briefs, but he was sent to serve someone like a chief detective. So he had to meet different kind of people each time. So I rejoiced when one day they sent me out 40 miles in the country to a town called New Mullion to serve summons on a man called Oliver Lutkins. We needed this man as a witness in a law case, and he had ignored all our letters. When I got to New Mullion, my eager expectations of a sweet and simple country village were severely disappointed. Its streets were river of mud, with rows of wooden shops either painted a sour brown or bare of any paint at all. The only agreeable sight about the place was the delivery man at the station. He was about 40, red faced, cheerful, and thick about the middle. His working clothes were dirty and well worn. He had a friendly manner. You felt at once that he liked people. I want. I told him to find a man named Oliver Lutkins. Lutkins? I saw him around here about an hour. Hard fellow to catch through, always up to something or other. He is probably trying to start up a poker game in the back of Fritz' shop. I'll tell you, boy, is there any hurry about locating Lutkins? Yes, I want to catch the afternoon train back to the city. I was very important and secret about it. Now he meets a hack driver who is a very helpful person according to him. Here the delivery man told him that Lutkins was a hard fellow to be caught, and narrator told him that he was in a hurry to go as he was having something important and secret about Lutkins. I'll tell you what, I have got a hack. I'll get it out and we can drive around together and find Lutkins. I know most of the places he hangs out. He was so open and friendly that I glowed with the warmth of his affection. I knew, of course, that he wanted the business, but his kindness was real. I was glad the fair money would go to this good fellow. I managed to bargain down to $2 an hour, and then he brought from his house nearby a sort of a large black box on wheels. He remarked, "Well, young man, here is the carriage." And his wide smile made me into an old friend. These villagers are so ready to help a stranger. He had already made it his own task to find Oliver Lutkins for me. Here he says that the delivery man was a kind fellow, and he made this work of finding Oliver his own work. So, narrator was very much impressed by this delivery man, this hack driver. He said, "I don't want to interfere, young fellow, but my guess is that you want to collect some money from Lutkins. He never pays anybody a cent. He still owes me 50 cents on a poker game. I was fool enough to play with him. It's not really bad, but it's hard to make him part with his money. If you try to collect from him in those fancy clothes, he'll be suspicious and get away from you. If you want, I'll go into Fritz and ask for him, and you can keep out of sight behind me." The hack drivers take him round the village, and he says that I will help you to find out that man, Oliver Lutkins, because he must be there around the Fritz shop. So that's all for today. We will meet soon in our next module. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.